JJ Alatica. Goes airborne, undeterred by the challenge. Abuelo lays it in against Jeremy Robinson plus the foul.
Jeremy Robinson rely on Warlo Batak a lot.
Last 2 minutes brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sportsbook of the MPBL. A rare pasa kay Lambino. Extreme ang subok at kompletong appliances brand ng Pilipinas. Pass to the outside. Collado leaning in. Oh, what a lumapit. Using his left hand. The tip in is Olegario. Naagawa ni Keith Pido. Pido will lay it in. Robinson makes his move. No whistle. Rebound lang. Warlo spins the shot. It's good!